Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A31, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold power key, and whenever you see your boot options right here, you want to hold power off. This will bring up this little menu right here, or window, basically letting you know that you can reboot into safe mode by tapping on OK, and by doing so all third-party applications will be disabled while in this mode. So let's just select OK. And while it's rebooting, I'm just going to kind of explain what safe mode actually is. So giving just a example, if you have some kind of problems with your device that you suspect are app-based, as an example, for instance, you have some app that is making the usage of the device almost impossible, displaying some ads, overlays, or just messing up with the usability of your device, and you can't get rid of it. You can boot your phone into safe mode, and that app will not be able to run in safe mode, even though normally it would start up automatically without you needing to do anything, just to screw with you. In safe mode, this app has literally 0 ways of running. The phone terminates every app that isn't like native to its system. So you'll see some of the apps right here that have been treated as such, and some of them are kind of weird. As an example, my browser right here is one of those apps that is terminated, and if I try to open it up, as you can see, downloaded app disabled in safe mode, which shouldn't really be the case considering this is the browser, but it looks like maybe ZTE just switched up into their own browser, trying to, pull a sneaky one on you. So yeah, it is turned off, as well as things like Facebook, weather, and probably a couple additional ones. So any app that would be causing you problems right now cannot run, and therefore you can just easily remove it. So as you can see, you could just drag it up, remove it if that would be the app. Anyway, once you're done with your safe mode, you can hold your power key and simply select restart. Just tap on it, device will reboot and take you back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.